We're here at the Tulsa International Airport in Tulsa, Oklahoma, and this is our new Seeker Air Drag FOD sweeper. So it's from Blue Streak. It's not a magnet for once, but it's a FOD control system that works in tandem with our Seeker Air Mag to collect everything that isn't magnetic. So you put the magnet in front of these, so all the metallic stuff and magnetic stuff gets picked up by the magnets, and then everything else gets picked up by these little pods. We'll go over later a little closer detail on how they work, but right now I'm just going to show you how it's set up. So we sell this as a single wide or a triple wide, similar to the Air Mag. So we got you could have a single Air Mag and a single Air Drag, or the triple and the triple, or a single and a triple. So they fold up nicely for storage and just moving them around. And I'm just going to show you how they go together. So there's just a couple pins on the back here that hold this up. And then this arm comes down. So the pin just goes back in here just for storage. It doesn't need to be on there when it's moving. And then same on the other side. Just a little pin. Let her down. And the pin can go back up here, which is where they're supposed to go. So now that we've got our arms down, I'm just going to unload these pods off the storage rack and place them on the arms. And I'll start on this side. So these are held in with a little bit of a spring tension thing. This black lever here kind of locks it in place, so as you lift it up, it releases it, and then it hooks on here to the corresponding points on the trailer. So you just drop them on like this. And then it locks on, and it won't come off. So I'll just do that for the rest of them here. There we go. So these things weigh about 20 pounds each, so they're not too hard to move around. They are really heavy duty though, so it's steel and aluminum. So there is a bit of weight to it, but it's not an exhausting thing to do, even when it's 35 degrees in Tulsa. So once you get all of them here attached to their points on the trailer, the rest of them will go in between the ones that are already on the trailer. So then you get a nice overlapping sweeping pattern. So on the back of these trailers, they all have little hooks on the back. So that interfaces with the hook on the front, and then you can attach them together. Just like that. So if you just kept buying more of these, you could really just keep going forever and ever and ever, but 13 is what it comes with when you buy the triple, and then 5 when you buy the single. And then you got the nice storage rack which holds them all, which is pretty handy. And then all the parts on this thing are replaceable. So when stuff wears out, you just get some new parts, put it back together, and you can use this thing forever. So there you go, now they're all set up, and you got the full sweeping setup. We got the drag and the mag. We're on the apron right now, so we're gonna just go along where the planes are, just do the ramps, the taxiways, that sort of thing. Just pick up everything we can, and then I'll report back with whatever we pick up.